Okay, I made it into a new Ross, you guys. I've been just going to different Rosses. Ross has been doing really, really good on fashion. I haven't been sharing so much of fashion, but I think I'll make a separate video. You know what? Have you seen this one? I'm not too sure. 10. Oh, it's like a velveteen rabbit. 10. And this guy, he's really cute, right? More chicks with the egg. Plenty of the large ones. Oh, I have a white one, but it's all white. $45. That has a moss and a basket. Okay, I don't see a lot in Easter. I really want to find Easter dishes. The ducks are 15. They're really, really cute. Let me walk around. Easter blessing. It looks like they're 17 on the table runner. I haven't seen much of table runners either at Home Goods, so I don't know what's going on. But this is a really cute butter dish, right?
Yeah.
That is like adorable. I did share that in a different video. Let me bring this one up. $8.99. If you want felt eggs. This is like a perfect table piece. $35. Surprised it's still here. This carrot one's new. $10.99. Look at that little booty hanging out of there. They look cute. Oh, here's a cat. I haven't seen much of cat. I've been seeing a lot of dogs. 10. Then we have the yellow one. There's a pink one. Yeah, let's see down there's pink. The chicks. This one's cute. 10. And the little are they different? No, but those are cute. Find out. $5 for those. And then Happy Easter. Okay, I believe that might be it. A few baskets over here in the children department. We have like bunnies or like little plush ones. Oh, cutie pie. This one comes with a... Oh, it's a set. Okay. They're a blanket, basket, and a plushie. They're 15. Stitch body. It's funny. $25. Oh my gosh. They have all this baby stuff. $23. I remember my first baby shower. Nobody came to it. $30, but you know, it's all good. It's all good. You know why? Because, you know, I was gifted a lot anyway from like my parents, so it's all good. $8.99.
And we found out we don't need the rest of them.
No, we don't.
Forget them.
$8.99. These little unicorn. There's a pig one. All these cute stuff is out. And plenty of outfits, you know, for children. For boys, I'm trying to like look for more new boy stuff. Here's a button-up one for $8. I walk down here. $8.99. You have the Adidas socks. Oh, look at the Bluey ones. These are $5. These are cute. Those are really adorable. Nike.
Sorry.
They're just underwear. Shorts are here. $7. You know, springtime. These are $7 for little boys. Body glove, you get 2 in here. $8. Easy pull on. They could also wear this for like swimming and whatnot. $7. More Nike. Khakis. And then let's see. I think these are like a little snuggler blanket. Let me walk over here. Those are adorable. By Carter's and $11.99. There's a little pocket. I think that might be the only one. It's like this one too. That's cute. Shoes, socks. I just saw like I had left a little boy department because there was a little boy in there shopping. Like he had his shopping cart like that. Like he looks like he's 9, 10. Looking at shirts and looking at them what they look like on him. I've never seen a kid do that.
Yeah.
I've only seen like teenagers, so that was like new for me. Oh yeah, and Home Alone. But sometimes when I'm me or him, if we're like near children by ourselves, we kind of tend to leave because sometimes the parents do freak out, especially you, because he goes by the toy department a lot. And I know you see a grown man in the toy department.
Like 5 other grown men in there too. It's kind of funny.
And you know, people freak out.
And then one time, one kid walks through there. It's kind of funny.
Okay, yeah, a lot of cute stuff. Oh, Daniel Tiger. Look at the bath one. These are 10. So yeah, normally we'll leave the toy department or clothing. Like, I just let that kid shop. I don't need to film next to him. 17. What did you find? Oh yeah.
Haven't seen that one.
Have not? No, we haven't. This one's 8. Oh, baby stuff. What is that? The boiling kettle? Oh my gosh. That's actually kind of, this is a toy. That is kind of funny. $5 to see a kettle. It's a breathing one. Why don't they have the otter? How much is this one? 15. Purple monkey. Yeah, there's a breathing otter that came in a set too. Yeah, boils. Oh, he really loves fashion. He went to go show his grandma his whole cart full of clothes. And they're going through it. It's cool. It's cool. 10 here. You know what? I'm still looking for chalk. Marker chalk. I would think Ross would have it, but they do not. There's a lot of containers. You can find gel markers, glitter markers here. Art kits. Paper drawing. These are a pretty good deal. You know, I want to say Michael's right now might be having a discount on canvas. You got large ones, mini ones. Drawing paper. Okay, I did find some spring dresses in here. Let's see, these are $15.99. Little peekaboo in the back. This one's $17, just like a nice flowy one. And $15.99 on the yellow one. The denim one, I feel like the denim one's kind of cute, but I feel like you need a V-neck or something. But it's like a smock. I don't know, like this right here, $12.99. Ooh, have we seen the dog one? I know I saw, you know, I feel like we have because I feel like it's missing a jaw, but it's not. It just looks like that.
Yeah, it looks like.
Pottery. A lot of camping tents though. How much are they here? What is this one? Pop-up shelter, $50. What's this at Sam's Club? They can't be that much either over there. $14 for the chairs.
What is this?
This one's $80. Large pop-up. That one's gonna cost a little more. A table?
Yeah,
Where?
let me move this.
Oh, the pop-up one. $48. Oh, they used to have that in Costco. The little pop-up table on the side. Huh. That's interesting. Look over here. 18 on the back. And the large ones, oh yes. The pelican is still here, the Zen frog. But they're not heavy. They're not heavy, in case you're wondering. Oh, these children on the log. They're new. Can we reach that? Is it heavy? 27, no. Doesn't look heavy. No. Wish they were real bronze. Yeah, right. That would cost way more. A little bit of pottery here. Not as much. Let me look over here. Okay, that's 18. 33. 15. Let's see. We have Charlie Brown. Snoopy one. And 17. That's cute. Pink one, 15. I believe we got like the eggs and bows. These are 15 here. Bunnies, 15 carrots. Oh, not as much quilts here compared to the other location we were in yesterday. 40. This is for a king. And then 55. This one's for a king. No idea. $35. They had bed sheets like this in Home Goods. Haven't seen them though. It looks like an Ed Hardy quilt too over here. It's $33. Yes, check out your Ross, you guys. A lot of fun quilts. I'm trying to go back to the bed sheets. Or was that it? Just that end cap? Oh no, they're right here. I was like, that was it. Let's see, stitch. These are twin, $21.99, 18, 15 for a full. That's kind of cute. This is 17, 20, 21, 22, and the polka dot. That's cute. I like that because I like polka dots. Not a lot of full. King, 23. 42, 38, 38, and then one Cali King, 21. Nautica, this one's 21. We've seen this one many times. Here's a fanny pack. These are $12.99. Oh, just got that there. It was falling. Guess, Tommy, crossbody, 17, my Wrangler, 20, yeah, each location I go to is different, so some are like, ooh, stocked on handbags. Here, I mean, there's handbags, but I feel like, I mean, this is cute. We did see this in the previous video. They have a darker color too. What do we have over here? Anything good? Let's see. Looks like $8.99 for NARS. $10.99. More NARS. I love the smell of the oil. $8.99. You guys know the smell of it. Bronzing powder. $15. Body wash. Hourglass, such as highlighting stick, a little illuminator. Champagne flash, $12.99. Fenty shadow stick. And I've been seeing this everywhere too. Like eyeshadows, $4 for this one. NARS soft matte medium, $12.99. Laura Geller. I mean, this is fair. Oh, it might be too fair for my kid. And you know what? It's kind of hard when you're like an olive tone. 7. Because you're either like, they have a little bit too much yellow or a little too much pink. So you're gonna like have to choose in between. Like I'm in between. Bare to warm. Let's see. The little Fenty one's like really cute though. This is the perfume, might be a roll-on, $8. $5.99. And here's another Paris Hilton one. 5. XOXO here. Peach mango, strawberry, and you get this cute little keychain. These are $6.50. And then more charming lips here. Oh, that's cute. For $5.50. This Tommy one, 27 on the sandals. Okay, don't touch. The shoes are sensitive. $12.99. These are $12.99. These are Volcom. These are very cute. They're foamy though at the bottom, so you could easily slide. So when they're foamy bottoms, you have to be careful. Let's do some scanning on shoes. I think Guess behind me. Oh, platform bands. Get out of here. $25. What size are they? Not my size, but okay. I'm a sucker for platform bands. But you know, they're made so different, you guys. All my new fans are ripping, and they rip like right here. I'm gonna. I should tweet them. Be like, dude, give me a new pair. I just bought some. Yeah. Kind of want to go buy wall art. Oh, there's that egg. These are all containers. Huh?
So people are stashing stuff.
Stashing toys, yeah. Oh, that's kind of wild. I don't see a price for that. The Gucci is $29.99. This might be it for wall art though. Let me go down. Is this home decor? Let me go down here. Dogs. A bird. $12.99.
I still think it looks like a silhouette of Mrs. Incredible from The Incredibles.
10. I also have this to match. It's kind of funny. Elephants. 10. That's 10 up here. I think this is it. Alright, yeah. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here on this walkthrough. Hopefully these videos, they do help you. They're supposed to show you like what's in the store, not like what I like. I might say, oh, I think that's cute or whatever, but I kind of just like mosey to like every department so people could see, oh, I love elephants. Oh, I love to collect little porcelain birds. Okay. Like here's a marble one. These are $8 here. A lot of people like to have different types of home and decor. So please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next one. These have like little mirrors in them.